this is how AI interacts with me. Hold up. Oh. I tried to leave. Let's see. Let's see what this one does. Move closer, they go faster. Let's see what this one does. Oh my god. He said, no, don't leave, Leon, don't leave.
I'm just going to stay close to you all day long. Just keep it right. Totally.
Oh my god. It totally lit all the way up. Look.
It seems like you wanted to do something. Yeah, I mean, I didn't read the instructions. I'm not sure if I'm
Let's see what this one does.
conceptual enough to understand it. A little weird, I don't know,
Let's see if I start snapping and dancing. See, it's synchronizing colors as I'm snapping.
Yeah. So that's what it's doing?
I'm sorry?
Is that what it's doing? Synchronizing with the sound?
It's doing something. It's responding. I guess each one has a different, personality or the way they interpretate human behavior.
Okay. Maybe like moving faster when I move backwards.
Yeah, like I notice like when I touch it, and then I try to walk away and it.
I confirm all these because I have these.
Ooh.
He's snapping.
See? He's really dancing with me. So it's excited. Wanna dance? Oh, wants to have a conversation. What if someone's consciousness is trapped in there, y'all? Ever think about that? What if someone's consciousness is trapped in there? What do we do?